Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. The last time I showed you this hand drill, I really didn't get a lot of interest in it. And so I'll try to bring you things that you have interest in, but this is something I want to try. Alright, when I first tried this, I made the mistake of putting my divot close to this bad edge right here. And then the spindle just worked its way towards the notch and just popped out. Then I went over here and I made use of this much tougher edge right here and easily got that ember. I just simply want to go back and revisit this bad divot and notch and just angle my spindle in such a way. And by the way, this is the never miss Yucca spindle, to where it stays in that slider notch is what I'll call it. Let's see if I can go ahead and get an ember out of it. Oh, let's try it this way. I got moisture on my hands. Let me get the clamp, hold on. Oh, by the way, this is not a clamp. This is the person you got lost with. Now, here comes the rain. That is so satisfying, you just do not know. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And in that drop down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Let me put my glasses on so I can show this to you. Persistence paid off, didn't it? We'll catch you on the next one.